Hey Fisilva, how you doing? Hey Haro, how you doing? Everyone's here, that's awesome. Thanks for the shoutouts. It's being awesome. So let's recap from last time. Let me close this. It's getting a lot of memory here. Let me wait. I think I got a new follower, I don't know. Let me see. Yeah. ZCC, thank you. So I'm missing 3 for the 100. That's pretty cool. Hope to get it today. So let's go right away to the game. So I've been refactoring some parts of the game, especially the part of the puzzles, because I wanted to. Hey CCC, how you doing, man? Thanks for the follow. As I was saying, I want to refactor or redo the puzzles, because I've designed some new ones. I hope you've seen in my Twitter the images. So I needed to change the buttons and stuff like that. Oh, maybe maybe later's. Okay, cool. That's a fine nickname. So I've been changing some stuff. Now the player can. I changed this puzzle. It was previously was just this totem and this button, and now I added a second one. So what I want to do is, when both players are here, the door will open, but they can't get there, so the door will close again. So players get to understand what's happening with the buttons in the floor, and they can push the. Hey Watt91, thanks for being here. And so the players can understand what's happening with the buttons, and probably start a new one that's already in the next room. I started already, but I had to go back to change this from the buttons. Hello, Herr Barbar. Welcome to the stream. So for now it doesn't work. I have to redo some of the code so I can understand what's happening. I hope the music's still playing. No, the music stopped. I don't know why. This song is awesome. And if you have any question about the game or me and the studio and whatever, just ask and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Yeah, exactly, Portal. One of our favorite games. So I was playing around with this part. This is The symphony orchestra playing it. Awesome. There's a version of the music I never heard before. It's probably because this doesn't exist yet, so load totems. I don't need this one. I need declare chest variable. So it's chest R2 equals to no one. Let's see. Pretty cool version of this music. No one here, yeah. What? This doesn't work? Because it's on, no, it's on a create. Should work. Oh yeah, not this, yeah. Hello, Robin Hood. Welcome to the stream. Make this chat smaller. People like to see. Oh yeah, it cuts off there, yeah. Yeah, you're right. I have to work it out. So let's see. This one, no. Chest doesn't appear. Thanks for the follow, Giblin. Now appears on the stream. Got the Twitch alert first. Okay. So it's not this the problem. Problem is not getting in there, problem. So let's take this away. Welcome to the stream, Giblin. Or Giblin, I don't know. I hope I'm saying right. So it's not here. So if the instant doesn't exist, let's log this. The pros and cons. Oh, I'm not the best person to say that. Now I'll bet someone will come here and say that Unity is better or GameMaker is better. For this project, for me especially, it was easier for me to do it on GameMaker than in Unity, because I tried Unity first to do our main mechanic of the game, but I couldn't make it right in Unity, and I could do it on GameMaker like in 3 hours. So it was an easy choice for me, like, okay, I'll go with GameMaker because I can do this and I know what I'm doing. So if it's better or worse, I don't know. It's probably better for some people and worse for other. I don't get in those wars, framework wars and stuff like that, so choose whatever you like and whatever you please. This is not going there. So probably It's probably not running the puzzle, that's it. Because I changed stuff, so I need to come here on the step event. And here when I have the collision, so here, yeah, low XP coin, welcome back to the stream. How you doing, man? Yeah, that's it. You choose whatever you like. So collision true and button alarm 1 and either I'll do what it was. I have one thing for that is script whatever. Execute. Script. Exist, execute, yeah. So I just need to pass puzzle here. I think. Let's see. All the bullets at the same time. I don't understand what he's saying. XP. What are you talking about? Let's try it out. Hello, Lion Joker. Welcome to the stream. Oh, error. Let's see what's happening here. Arguments. Okay, let's try again. Watch and read. Actually read the error. What does it say? Not set before reading it. Okay. So it's saying that it's not, but it is. I have it here, should be here. Yeah, puzzle 1 should be. Let me log this puzzle. Wait, this is button. Yeah, okay. The button will, so button. Probably do with button. It's easier for me to do that. Collision equals to true. Alarm 1 equals to 1 and script execute puzzle. Let's try it out now. Okay. This is your first time watching GameMaker in action. That's cool, that's cool. It's fairly easy to, fairly straightforward when you wrap your head around some ideas that is how this works, because it's different from normal programming. So you don't do classes here, you use the objects and it's event-based programming, so you put everything on the events and you make everything work from the events. Okay, does it say now? So the button, dungeon floor buttons not set before reading. Okay. Okay, so the problem is on the... Oh, okay. I know what's the problem. Oh, here I need to get rid of this. Dungeon floor buttons. I need to... Yeah, that's true. The puzzle that I built and I'm changing it now. It's to move the totems into the buttons on the floor, so it will pop up a chest box in the middle of the room. This is a simple puzzle to the player gets to use to the type of puzzle or type of puzzle with the totems and moving them around, so I can put harder puzzles afterwards. XP coins. Do you have? I have bullets on my boss. The boss spits some stuff. It looks like bullets. So here I need to get the object, so it's easier for me if I do bar object equals to object dungeon floor button, no, dungeon stats, come on, object dungeon 1 stats, exactly. Now I can put object dot something, object and the state, and here it's object and here it's subject. So, and here this is wrong. This is the object 2, and here object, and here object 2. Okay, let's see if it works now. Okay, nope. So object engine stats, unknown variable not set before reading it. Object dungeon floor button. Sorry. Every game should have bullets, yeah? Every good game has bullets. I don't know. Dungeon floor buttons. Dungeon floor buttons and floor buttons. Dungeon floor buttons. This is on create. This should be working. This is like that. Dungeon floor buttons. Exactly. Dungeon 1, dungeon. Okay. This is from room 4. I can change that later. I can change in here, yeah. Dungeon floor buttons. Dungeon floor buttons. Exactly. I had 2 names in here, so some typos. What is this? Don't know this game. Running? Yeah, it's running. Let's see. Come on. So, dungeon room, puzzle check, line 10. Dungeon. Yeah, line 10. So, here. If instance exists. So let me check here. See, yeah, that was it. See, okay, and if I go, yeah, it disappears. Nice, it's working. So the player can understand that they have to at least one of them move. Oh, it isn't working. Okay. It was working, but now it's not. Okay. So it works with the players, but not with the totems. Okay. Probably work with this one, but not that one. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't work with this one either. Okay, so I have to fix this. So what would be the problem now? Okay. I have the... On the step event, I check if the object is a totem. Okay, let's log here. Totem. See how it goes. Okay, so I want to see if he gets the totem. Okay, he gets the totem. But it doesn't go down, I think. Yeah, the button doesn't go down. Okay, so... something is wrong here. Okay. With the object, I don't know if it... Okay, is this local co-op game or online? At least at the beginning, we will make it as a local co-op, but we want to do it as an online game too, so we get more players to play it. We know that's easier for everyone to play online with some friend than to get someone at home and play together. So yeah, probably the both, but for now it's gonna be local co-op. XP coin, will you make a Nintendo card with your game? A Nintendo card? That would be awesome, just to play it on, I don't know, probably N64. I would love to do that. I would love to do that. But probably not going to do it. Or just for fun and have it at home as a prize. Just for ourselves. But yeah, that would be awesome. Like Ukulele did. So here I get the instance and probably that's the problem. Let's log the top. Or let's log the sprite. Right? Yeah, I don't know if I get... See... 32. Alright, yeah, that's probably right. So why it's not... 15. So left. Yeah, I know he gets totem. Let's see. Not getting it at all. If collision rectangle, so let's see if he gets here. Probably not. Collision. I need to get this right so I can make the next puzzle, so yeah, no, it's not getting there. Here it's getting there. Okay, but he gets the I love the games on N64, especially the Zelda games. Like Ocarina of Time and Majora's Mask. Those are awesome games. So if I don't get the collision here, I should. Exactly. So the X and Y are the let's try with left top. So probably I'm not getting it. What does the width function do? Width function is an awesome function that allows you to run script inside an object even if you're not inside that object. So with object name, as it is in here, like if you see the code here, I get the object here, so I get this instance or the object player or the player, and after that I run the code inside of it or with it, so I get the properties and everything that's inside of that. Yeah, like maybe later said. It's pretty awesome. Okay, let's see. No, it doesn't get it. Why not? Dumbass. Why you don't get it? Oh, if it comes from... Okay, so... Oh, now I get it, because it has less than that. Okay. So it has to be... What, the music stop? No. So it has to be... Should be the middle of this, like left plus sprite with divided by 2 and top plus sprite height divided by 2. Let's see, because this should get the middle of the base, and the middle of the base should collide. No. Yeah, it collides there, not. Okay, this is the problem. Not here, but here. Let's try minus 10, minus 25. This will work for the totem and not for the rest. So I'm just trying the totem and see if it goes okay. I'm playing with the totem. Okay, works well. That's what I wanted, but with the player gets weird. Yeah. Still works right here on his head. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. So I have to create like offset or offset equals to 0, and here offset equals to 10. So minus 10 minus offset and minus offset here. So they all get the same area. Yeah, I believe so. That would be totally different. But what can I say? It was easier for me to do it here. Okay, I got the... And I can get the... Yeah, I can get the key, and if it goes away, it goes away. Oh, it appears. And I got a second key. Oh, nice bug. Okay. You finally caught me during a stream. That's it, Seahorsey. Welcome. Now is the time for you to ask everything you want. And don't forget to hit that follow button. That's how you it's how you get the notifications when I go online during a stream. So okay, now I have another problem, that is. Thanks for the follow, Seahorsey. Thanks a lot. That means a lot. I think I'm 2 followers away from hitting 100. Am I right? I think my... Let me check it out, like Twitch. Truzer 5050. I ask you please to talk and speak in English or chat in English so everyone can understand. I'm gonna translate the question, that is, if I have any professional course or any degree, exactly, if I have any degree on programming. Yeah, I have a degree in programming and design for multimedia, for the media. So yeah. And yes, I'm 2 followers away from 100. That's pretty awesome. Thank you guys. That means a lot. So the problem is... Hey, Pokemon! Awesome. One more! Air Barbar, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Far too kind. And you get a chest box opening on the stream, just for you. I love these Twitch alerts. So, back to the code. I'm showing and hiding, not hiding. Exactly. That is the problem. So on the step event, I go here, then I execute the puzzle, and the puzzle is here. So if it exists, I have to find out if I can hide. New. Put it here so you guys see it. It's smaller, so GameMaker hide instance. Probably hide and deactivate an instance. Let's see what they say. Instance activate all, instance activate object, physical. Switch up instance, they are longer processing. Deactivate region. No. See properties. Mask, image index, image blend, image angle, image alpha. Use visible true. Okay, cool. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I'm doing instance destroy, but I don't want to do that. So okay, let's see. Visible equals to false. Thank you, Jekyll Gamer. Okay, so if I get here and open it, I go away, it will not show again. Okay, because the instance already exists. Okay, cool. So now I need to check if, so else if the instance exists and when it's gonna be playable. Oh, it's playable already, and I'm thinking in making it available for you guys to play it soon enough. At least this level and the other demo that I made before, that's on a video. I think you can watch the video. There's on the description. I think it's on the description. Let me check it out. Oh, Twitch. My Twitch. So yeah, no, I can post there for you guys. I'll change it later. Oh, 100 followers, awesome. Thank you all. So here's the video. I have to post it there. Who was the last follower? Let me see. It says it was Air Barbar. Okay, cool. I don't get the last one yet, or I don't know. So I have to still have to turn off the collision check. Okay, cool. So first thing first, if the instance exists, Okay, if so it's this minus the no, it doesn't exist. So if it exists, well, I think I can. Well, let's put visible equals to true. Okay, let's try. So one here. Okay. If I open it and go away, I still can collide with it. Okay, yeah, cool. No, it doesn't appear again. Okay. Okay. If visible equals to true, then solid true. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm using physics, so yeah, probably solid will work. Hey man, you have to come more to my streams. Helps a lot. How much experience do you have in GameMaker? Let's try. So solid, you say solid equals to false too. Is that it? Let's see, one here, it will appear, then go away. No, solid still. Quite a bit. Need to turn off the physics for that object. Okay, so how can I do that? Probably know by hand. Let's see. Instance turn physics off. Deactivating instance. Is that it? No. Physic error. Okay, I'll check it out. Let me. No, that's not what I want. Physics functions. Physics inertia. No, I don't see that. Physics slipping? No. Well, I can turn it into I say what's the name for that? Sensor or something. Phi active, let me see. Physical active. Let's see. If I like Metallica, I love Metallica. Okay. It doesn't disappear. Oh! It really deactivates it. Awesome, okay. So I need... Yeah. I need to... that was the wrong one, okay. So physic active equals to false, then physic active equals to true. I think here I can just check. just check if this is visible. Visible equals to true. Exactly, yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, problems. Okay, because it's not okay. So let's roll back. So if the button is pressed, if the next button is pressed and exists, it creates this. Should come here. What the hell is this song? Okay. Okay, shows off. Should show again. Come on, man. Does it get in some other before? So log 1. Let's check if it comes here or here. Log 2. Log 3. Come on. Help me out, GameMaker. Can try both. Just okay, appears, disappears. It goes to 3, okay. Okay, let's try the other way around. Make it active first and then visible. Let's see. Okay, okay. It doesn't activate again? What does happen? It doesn't make it visible. What did I write wrong? Doesn't make it. Well, I don't know, Airbar. I'm trying it out here, so let me check what GameMaker says about it. So it returns deactivating an instance. So switch off. Well, since you're asking, Jack Lee Gamer, the chest box or the object disappears, or it's no longer active, and then it doesn't become active again. It goes to the if and goes to here, so but not can show you out. So it's not reactivating it. Like it appears, disappears, it's not active, then it doesn't appear again. Let me check, let me put the comment the visible and invisible just to check if it collides again. So one collides, okay, doesn't collide, should collide, it doesn't collide. So let's search for physics this GameMaker. Yeah, it should work as I'm reading on GameMaker. Not working. Nope. Any newt. It's a video tutorial, I don't want to see this. Yeah, you go it. No problem, man. Thanks for the help. So yeah, something's wrong and I know what it is. Typical developer's problem. It's not working and I know why. Because it goes there. It goes to the... Should activate again. Oh wait, I know what's the problem. Dumb. Problem not doing it to the object. So it was impossible to reanimate it or reactivate it. Now I don't need this or this. Sometimes you do make dumb mistakes. Okay, let's try it out. Both appears, appears again. Yeah, woohoo! It works. Let's see what it is. Okay, if I open it, okay, open, goes away, can go, then it's open. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now I don't accumulate. Cool. Let's make a GIF out of it and tweet it. Last cap. Okay, record. So let's do this. Woohoo! Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll try that later, yeah. Let me just tweet this and I'll try that one. It's gonna be probably not work, but okay. Where is it? So just a small GIF. There it is. There's a chance you will get stuck though. Yeah, let's try. Let's just try it out. Let's just see what happens. This is Zelda, right? No, wasn't? No. Okay, so let's put it in and it will appear there. Okay, so here. Okay, works pretty good, doesn't get stuck, just bouncing off. It works better than I expected. Cool. And a totem, yeah, well, we can try that. If the totem moves, doesn't move down now, just got stuck there. But there's a problem there too. Okay, so I got this part and now place meeting, active. Yeah. That's true, yeah. Or it doesn't show it off at all, so so this part is done, and if the players play it out well, if he catches the key here and opens the door, should didn't get the key. What? Oh gosh. So he opens the chest box and doesn't get a key? What's happening? Wait a minute. If the players is in top of the button, doesn't. Yeah, it does pop up. Both players are, it does pop up, so it's a magic chest box. What happened here that I didn't get any key? Is that it? Oh, I got the key, but I couldn't open the door. Holy macaroni. So there's a bug here. Okay, so one, I have to get rid of this. Two, I have to review the puzzle. Where is it? I have to check the door. So the door. The door is this one. It's not checked here exactly. I don't check it here, I check it on the dungeon. Oh yeah, that's why it's not working, because I've changed some of the indexes. Exactly. That was a problem. So now it should work. Let's try it out. This one goes there, this one goes here, and this one gets the key. Okay, key. Now it goes open the door, but it doesn't go away. So, because it needs both players, it can be like this. Okay. Now I got a bigger problem. Now let's abort this. Let's change the players to the next room. Here. Yeah, it was well played, yeah. Let's see. Okay, so the problem is script execute puzzle. It doesn't have any puzzle, that's why. Okay, so when I create the new buttons, that's it. I'll need to or the buttons. So button here, room 3. So this puzzle, no, but a puzzle I already know one. So I need to here if instance exists puzzle do this, so I can get rid of that ugly bug. Okay, cool. Should be working now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it presses the button, presses the other button, nothing happens, and then when I press the second, should happen something. Or something should happen. I can move these bastards there and there. Okay, cool. Oh, nice. I can trade them. Okay, that shouldn't happen. So not here, but not a Pokemon sound. Another game that I played a lot, Pokemon Green. No, sorry. Yeah, blue. So what I want to do is first of all stop the totem when it's above a button. So on the button, not here, button, where's the button? Okay, cool. So on the button, if the instance is here, so object movable equals to false. So now if I move the totem to a place where's the button, right, it won't work. It isn't movable, it is movable, it can move. How did I do before? I can move. Because it's the puzzle. The puzzle is that. how can I work with this? It's not work, this is pleasure. So yeah, high-pitched music works well. Okay, they don't move anymore, and I can hide behind them. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's can move, and after that can't move at all. I know this music song too. Yeah. Ninja Garden, yeah, play that. I think it was on Game Boy or something. One kind of that game. So now what I want to do is first of all grab my piece of paper and all my sheets. Here it is. All the puzzles, all the numbers I've been doing before. So shouldn't the left totem be able to move to the right button? No, it shouldn't, because once it goes above a button it will stop moving. It's a thing. As those buttons trap the totem. They're like special totems. Cool, man. Tacos for life. So this isn't working, that's why, okay. Now it updates my followers, okay, so it still says 99, okay. So yeah, now I need to create the... it's bad if I look down. I do appear. I do show on screen. Okay, so I need to create the puzzles, the puzzle script. So this should go there, or this should go there above. Come on, move, man. Okay, cool. So create reset, check. And now this is the room 3? Yeah. So new. Script, so script dungeon 1 room 3 puzzle check, because it will do the same as the other one. 1, 2, 3, so you can check. So now I don't have the buttons here, I'll need to add them. So I can, so room 3 0 equals to, no, this is the totem. Oh, okay, no. So room 4, room 3 buttons, okay, so here, so room 3 position 0 equals to that, and then I'll copy and paste later. 3 1 equals to something, so equals to this one and this one. Okay, so now I have the buttons. Now I need to create more buttons for this puzzle. Okay, so if we do like var bt1 equals to No, I'm not using the S grids for the puzzle layouts. I should be using those. Yeah, I'll probably refactor that later, as I'm just using regular arrays. I didn't thought of that before when I started this, so I'll refactor that later. Not right now. Not during a stream. I'm not refactoring all of that. So 3-0. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm doing with identifying the room and yeah. So yeah, and var button 2 equals to same but 3-1. So if b1 state equals to 1 and b2 state equals to 1, it will run the code and show more. Exactly, I can be a hassle. Yeah, that's true. Just for this, I'm not. I don't have a problem yet, but it can become a problem. So I'll probably refactor it later. I don't know when. Probably when I get a problem, I'll get 2 days off and refactor everything. Where was I? So here now I need to create the button. So create first row of buttons. The puzzle consists on buttons that appear in one side and in the other, and the players have to go back and forth pressing the right button so it will appear more buttons in the other side. So it's like, I don't know, button thing. It just was like this crazy idea I had. So I need to create them, but I need to show and hide them. I'll probably create like here button row 1, button 1 row 1 equals to instance create, come on, create, and it's 6496 object, things dungeon floor button, yeah, done, and button 2 row 2 equals, yeah, like here I could put the buttons on a DS and just access them afterwards. It would be easier, yeah. I have to refactor that. So this, but not now. row 1 button 3. So this is 64 144 192. It does create this. Okay, and else if instance exists, if this exists and this exists and Okay, so now I need to do the same as I did before. So if, let me just rubber duck a bit here. So if the players press both buttons, it will show them. But if one of them goes away, so if this and this doesn't exist, okay, so yeah. So if one goes here and the other goes here, should show the buttons, not showing because they don't have a puzzle. Exactly. So where is it? Here. Floor button 1, row 3, puzzle equals to this, and the other one, button 2 equals to that. Okay, cool. I don't think it would work because they don't. GameMaker doesn't have the null; it has the no one. It's different. I want to see if the instance was created or not. So, oh yeah, there's a typo here. So, floor button. Exactly. Okay. Trying to index a variable that is not an array. Oh yeah, because I need to get the var dungeon equals to object dungeon stats. Yeah, so dungeon button 1 and dungeon button 2. Yeah, sort of. Okay. Dungeon floor buttons should dungeon floor buttons. Okay. Then I didn't knew. I know that the no one exists and it's sort of a null. I didn't know that it has some value, like -4. So yeah, it should be working. Floor button 1, room 3, floor button 2, room 3. Goes to here. Is that a typo or something? I don't think so. Object floor button, general floor button. So oh yeah, oh gosh. Dumbass. I need to put it here so he understands what it is. Okay, cool. So now it should work. Come on. Not set before. variable object, tangent floor button, dng. Really? Really? Is this really a problem? Come on. Gosh, okay, cool. So now it should, oh, okay. It shows the 3 buttons as I wanted. Cool. Now stuff is happening. You have to... Oh, that was a typo? Really? That was a problem? Yeah, dungeon, yeah. For crying out loud. Jeez. So, okay, so if this and I just need to check one of those. And instance exists. Okay, it creates. Else if this happens, but it exists, it will hide them, right? That's what I want. Need to buy a new chair. So this button visible equals to false. Button physical, what was it? Physical 1 active equals to false, and for all of them. Button 2 and 3. Maybe I should do a script just for visible and active, like deactivate and deactivate. It'd be easier not to copy paste 2 lines. And else, okay, remove this. Else if no, this is active. Here is true. Yeah, now I need to copy paste this so I won't lose everything into here. So this is true. Yeah, I know. I'll do that later. True, true, true. I just want to check if this works. I'll clean it up later as I did before with some code. Else if one of those, this exists, but one of the buttons isn't pressed, and either this or that button equals to 0 or button equals to 0. What's the problem? Need to close another one? Yeah, cool. So let's try it out. Okay. Bam. Error. What? Button 1, room 1. What's in room 1? What the hell? Oh, row 1. Got a row. Okay, let's try and see it again. Let's try and read it this time. Plugging in the floor, not set. Because I'm setting them up in here. Hmm. Oh yeah, here. I'm checking if it exists or not. So, well, I can put it as a no one here. So equals to no one. And do the same button 2 equals to no one. 0.3 no one. Okay, let's try. 0.21. Okay, cool. Doesn't throw an error now. It doesn't. Okay. Mario song. Yeah. So let me log something here. So 1, 2, and 3, just to watch what's happening, if it gets seen or not. The ifs. See? Let's check. Okay, it goes to 1, doesn't go to any of those, so if the state is 1 and the state is 1 and the button exists, of the else, which else? There are 2 else's. Oh, this is a problem. This should be closed here and not here. Okay. Is that it? Room 3 puzzle check. Here. Okay. Let's check again. Oh, nice bug. Okay, it doesn't go. I like this one. Yeah, I can move, still move it. Isn't that a, a wall there? Okay. So it doesn't pass through one. So that's equals to no one. Okay, it doesn't go to the second. Don't make an L. I need to make an else. I need to check it out if they are pressed and the instance is different. Different from no one. Let's check. If I only do an if and both of the clauses are correct, it will do both of them. So create, and it will be creating and disappearing windows. The problem is I just want to go there and there afterwards. If that's not correct, go there. So if it's equal to no one, then log this button so I can check and see if it's different. Okay, -4 continues as -4. That's the problem. Even after I create it here, yeah, the problem is I need to create the array here. So create, need to save them all in one variable. Create var to save new buttons. So not dungeon floor buttons probably, because I already have that. So room 3 puzzle buttons. Hey, Pokemon again. Can't do this, right? So equals to no one. Okay, cool. Now this 0. I don't know if I don't have the index, it will work. Okay, now I need to check in some other way. So if this count, that length count, what do I count? Let me see. GameMaker count, array count. Array count is array length 1D. Is that it? Array length, exactly. So if array length it's greater than 0, it will load the buttons, exactly. 1 and 2. Yeah, what he said. So if it's greater than 0, this should be if it's less than 0. So I'm gonna change something here. So if array, so if it doesn't have any length 1D, if it doesn't have any else if, or just else here, else if it does have, I will choose if I show them or not. So else I'll get the variables here and then do something with it. So exactly this one. Cool, and now if I'll do another if again. So if this yeah, so if this is, need to do something first, that is this, change in here so I can save them. I don't know if I can do this directly to there. Let's try and see what happens. I can comment this, and I can comment all of this so I can test that thing. Okay. Okay, no. Oh yeah. Something is dungeon, this is missing. So this will just create the buttons, yeah. So I'll still need to check if the buttons are pressed. Okay, line 16, the button 1. Oh yeah, greater than 0. Oh, equals to 0 in this case. If it equals to 0, it creates. Okay. Okay, cool. So first check this, and if, let's do over here, line equals to that, let's put it here, and remove this, and len equals to, exactly, so it's easier to track stuff, it's easier to read. And there's no problem with this line here, so okay, cool. I can just copy paste it and change the val, so 1 and, come on, 1 and 2. So okay, if the buttons are pressed, buttons are pressed and the length is equal to 0, it creates, else this okay, so if okay, no, this won't happen anymore. Let me think about it a bit. So now what I have to check is if the buttons aren't pressed. That's it, yeah. So if both are pressed, I'll assume that they are created, so I'll just show them. I'll use this. If the buttons are pressed, it will show, else it won't show. So else if the buttons aren't one of the buttons isn't pressed, okay, it will hide them. Okay, Smelling too much. That's good to know. Okay, that is a problem there. Equals to room. It's dungeon. So, dungeon. Problems. Trying to index a variable which is not an array. Oh yeah, because I didn't put in here. The dungeon also. Dungeon. Okay. Cool. Now, same on line 16. Yeah, but the length is 0. Let me log this LAN here. Zero. Okay, so I should go to line 16. Oh yeah, okay, so else if it is, the problem is that I'm checking if everything is happening. So greater, after it's greater than 0, it should go there. Okay, so, okay. The second one should show, should hide, should show. Nice. No! What a bug. Both go away. What the hell happened there? Both go away at the same time, disappear. It's still there? What the hell? What the hell? Progress, yeah. If R pressed and no. Else here I probably just need the if, because this will happen once and then it will go over there. Okay. No. Oh, I know what it is. The problem wasn't here. The problem is it checks when one is pressed and not the other. Okay, so the problem is where I run the code, where I run this, because I only run. Where's the object? There. I only run it if it's on and not off. So when I don't have the collision, I have to put it here also. When it's not the collision, I'll have to run the puzzle again because it's a check. At least the buttons are always checking. And if the puzzle exists. That's the problem. Okay, let's check it out. One goes there, one goes here. Yeah. Take it, bastard. Almost all at the same time. Yeah, works. Cool. That was it. So I guess I'll finish here for today, and next time I'll work during this week on this part, on the part where that was awesome, where the player goes through the buttons, and if it checks the right one, it will show other buttons in the other side. So buttons are a complicated thing. That's true. I can probably copy paste this and try to do something, but yeah, not for now. I'm a bit tired already. It was a long day for me, but it is working. And I'm really proud of it. Thanks everyone for helping and asking, especially for Jekyll Gamer. I hope I'm saying right. Thanks a lot, man. I'm following you. I'll be following you so I can check out your code. I hope your code too, because at least you know a lot of GameMaker. If you didn't follow me, please follow. That would be awesome. Because I only have like 100 followers, and would help a lot. And I'll be another one. Jekyll Gamer, thanks a lot for the follow. I'll be posting. That's cool. I'll be checking you out too. I'll be twitching again on Friday. At 4 p.m. GMT, 11 a.m. EST. So I hope to see you guys again here on Friday, and I'll be working on the game during the week, so I'll probably have this puzzle I'll probably have this puzzle done during the week and start the new one on Friday. The one that I have here, we also this one, that it has buttons and totems, so there'll be a lot of buttons and totems on this one. I'll have to fix this part too, this bug here where you can push further into the wall. So yeah, a lot to work. Thanks everyone for following me and being here. I hope to see you next time, and this is a wrap up. Thank you guys.